Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 96 at 9 o'clock, including news of a major asset bubble warning. Buoyant financial markets are out of kilter with the shaky global economic and geopolitical outlook. That's what the Bank of International Settlements said in its annual report published over the weekend. Crucially, it said it is essential to move away from debt as the main engine of growth. In Paris, BNP Paribas is preparing for an announcement of its penalty for breaking economic sanctions, which is expected to come very soon and be a fine of $10 billion, plus a ban on some interbank trading privileges. Argentina is another with American legal woes. The US judge has ordered that a debt repayment made by Argentina to US bondholders be returned, calling the payment an explosive action. Argentina owes money to two sets of bondholders, those who have agreed to the deal to restructure the debt and those who have not. The judge previously ruled that the country must pay both, but Friday's payment was just to those who had agreed to the deal. The US legal system decides these things because the original debt was issued there and Argentina offered US law in any dispute. Here's something you may not have known. We know about bankers buying up commodity positions, but you may not have known that ANZ owns 4 liquid fuels terminals in New Zealand, in Auckland, Mount Maunganui, New Plymouth and Wellington. The ownership is in focus because ANZ has just sold them to Macquarie Bank, along with 4 equivalent facilities in Australia. They hope to get $400 million for this key infrastructure business, but bidding was brisk. They sold for $525 million, according to the AFR. Macquarie will want a return on that. The transaction makes the point from the Bank of International Settlements well. Asset bubbles grow and investors make dangerous, risky decisions when interest rates are too low. Benchmark US Treasury 10-year bond yields ended last week at 2.54%. Both oil and gold slipped a little in late Friday trading in New York. We start the week at 87.7 US cents, 93.2 Aussie cents, and the TWI is now at 81.5. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.